What if an object could intercept every read and every write to itself? Validate it, log it, even fake values that don't exist, without you ever touching the original. That's a JavaScript proxy. And it's the pattern hiding behind Vue's reactivity. JS Patterns. Episode 2. Say you've got a user object, name, age, nationality. You want rules. Age must be a number, names can't be one letter, and reading a missing property shouldn't just hand back undefined. The naive fix? Scatter if checks everywhere you touch the object, or wrap every field in a getter and setter. It's boilerplate, it's repetitive, and every new property means new guard code. A proxy wraps your object in an invisible control layer. You pass it two things, the target and a handler full of traps. A trap is just a function that runs when someone interacts with the object. The get trap fires on every read. The set trap fires on every write. Your logic runs first, and the original object stays completely clean. Here's the shape. New proxy, target, handler. Inside the handler, the get trap receives the object and the property, so you can return a friendly message when that property doesn't exist. The set trap also receives the new value, so you can validate. Age isn't a number? Reject it. Otherwise store it. And the clean way to read and write inside a trap is the reflect API. Reflect.get and reflect.set forward the default behavior, so you intercept without breaking anything. Watch it work. Read name, the get trap logs it. Set age to 25, allowed. Set age to the string 40, the set trap catches it and refuses. Read a property that doesn't exist, and instead of undefined you get a helpful warning. One wrapper, total control over the whole object. This is everywhere. Vue 3's entire reactivity system is built on proxy. That's literally how it knows when your data changed and re-renders. Form validation, logging, default values, API clients that build URLs on the fly, all proxy. But here's the catch. Every single property access now runs your trap function. That overhead is tiny once, but on a hot object touched thousands of times a second, it adds up. Don't wrap performance-critical code. And the indirection can hide what's really happening. Someone reading your code sees a normal object, not the magic layer around it. So reach for a proxy when you need to intercept behavior across a whole object, validation, reactivity, logging. For a single computed property, a getter is enough. Use the magic on purpose. That's the proxy. Beyond code karma. I'll see you in the next pattern.